What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. JP here. So if you haven't already done so, could you please hit that like and subscribe button and also that notification bell, because we are definitely getting the word out about finding free or highly discounted AI generation programs, because my goodness, we know how expensive costs can get as content creators. And for those of you who are a part of our community, I appreciate all of your questions and our dialogue in the comment section. And everyone out there, I would love to hear about your favorite AI generation program. So could you also leave that in the comments below? So in this video, you're gonna see why creators are dropping their old AI programs and switching to OpenArt AI. OpenArt is an all-in-one creative studio in your browser that turns prompts, reference images, and even your own audio into finished visuals, images, short videos, and even full music videos. It also keeps a consistent on-screen character, you can add lip sync, and it assembles everything with a simple story workflow. Today, I'm going to show you how it works with 4 quick examples. I'm going to show you a music video that I built from a song. We're going to create a character vlog using one of my reusable hosts. We're going to create a fast explainer video with auto built-in scenes. And I'm going to show you one of my calm ASMR loop videos that I created in OpenArt AI. By the end, you'll see the exact workflow and key settings to recreate each format in your style. So let's get started. So here we are in the dashboard, and right in the middle, right smack in the middle here, you're going to see your different features. And the first one here is story, and we're going to really hang out in here today. Music video, character vlog, explainer video, and ASMR video. But here is where you can create your videos: image to video, text to video, element to video, lip sync, and motion sync. And this right here is the bread and butter of OpenArt AI, where you can create images with a multitude of models. And then here you can create a consistent character and use these for your music videos, for your character vlogs, for your explainer videos, and so on and so forth. And then right here, this is just like 11 Labs, where you can create voice narrations. So let's go ahead and go right to story, and we are going to click on music video. And you have 4 different options in here to create your music videos. You have a singing video, which I'm going to show you the one that I created in just a minute. A narrative video, which I also created one of those. I'm going to show you those so you can bring your music to life with a story. And then if you just want a visualizer behind your music track, that's what this is for. And right here, make your words move with the beats. This is a lyrics video. All right, so let me just show you the singing video right here. All right, and here we are, and you would drag or upload your song here. You can also paste a link. Now, I use Suno AI. If you are not familiar with Suno AI, you need to head over there right after this video and check it out, and I will leave a link below in the description. Suno AI generates top quality music, copyright-free music, and you can even upload your own music tracks and have it reimagine your own music, and it'll reproduce it for you. And down here is where you would choose your artist. Now I chose singing video, so I can use one of my characters. Let me show you here. These are my characters. And right here is community, so you can also use any of these characters in here. Pretty sweet, right? Okay, let me come back here and let me show you my singing video, and I'm going to go over here to my stories. Now I'm just going to show you a snippet, so just bear with me for a sec here. So it's going to be right here. I used Olivia Starr with one of my Suno AI songs, and here it is. I'm a disaster. I heard you knock on my door. You called out my name. Don't wanna hide it anymore. Yeah, so that's not bad, right? It's not bad. And I created just a 1-minute segment, and it allows you to create 1 minute at a time. So to generate a full music video, you have to do it in 1-minute segments. And I'll show you how that works in just a minute here. So let me go back to create story again, and then music video, because we were in here. Okay. So here we are again in music in the singing video. So we're going to go to Suno, and we're going to grab one of my music tracks right from my folder over here, my workspace. Okay, so we'll grab this one. I just need to grab the link for it. Share, copy link. Come back here and we are going to paste a link. Grab music from Suno. Perfect. Confirm. All right, so, and here's where you can choose your segments. Let's go here. I can move that here. Looks like this is the chorus. I'll grab this. So I'm going to confirm that. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and create this. I'm just showing you the process because I showed you my example with Olivia Starr. And then this is a male vocalist, so I would probably use Kai. And with Suno, you could create your own persona. And that's what I did. Olivia Starr and Kai and Ryan Vale, I was able to create a consistent voice character in Suno AI. And those are the characters I'm using for my music videos in OpenArt AI. So Suno AI and OpenArt AI, they go hand in hand, especially if you're creating music videos. And this is where you would type in the scenery or the location or wherever you want or whatever you want the background to be. That's where you would type that in. I want it to be landscape, so that's fine. I don't want it to be a short. And then I would create the video. All right, and that's that. Wait, let's come back to music video again. The narrative video, it works the same way with the 1-minute segments. You're going to choose your song. You're going to choose your character. Now, with the narrative, let me show you my stories and what I did with this one. Right here. Here we go. Under the flicker of the violet street light. So if you notice, he's not singing. All right, this is just a narrative video. That's pretty amazing, right? Yeah, so that's narrative. And let's go back to create story again, and then music video, and then visualizer. A visualizer is just the background to the music. So you can choose any style you want here. Lots of options. All right, and then the last one I'm going to show you is just lyrics video. It's the same idea, right? It's the same idea. Animate the video, yes. Aspect ratio and advanced options. You can select your image model to create the images for you. Video resolution, and then you can select your video model as well. So if you want to use Kling, Pixverse, Vidu, Q2. Okay, and that's that. So we're gonna keep going. I hope you guys see the power of OpenArt AI and also combining Suno AI with OpenArt AI. Very powerful. Okay, we're gonna move on to explainer video. And don't get jealous or anything, but I just got back from vacation from Italy and it was amazing. So I created a travel vlog when I was over there, but what I would like to do is create a voiceover explainer video of maybe sights to see in Italy. So let's do that. And this is going to cost me 1,000 credits. So these do use up a lot of credits. When you create videos in OpenArt AI, it does require a lot of credits. Now I have 5,000 credits left. I did upgrade to the 12,000 credits per month, which if you are a content creator, a video content creator, you are going to want to upgrade. I don't have a script right now, but I'm going to create a script with AI. So I'm going to create an explainer for tips and things to see in Italy, and we're going to go ahead and generate the script. So I've never used this explainer before. All right, so here we go. Italy, a dream destination for many. This looks good. This looks really, really good. All right, and over here we're going to use a video style, and we're going to go photorealistic. And I'm going to make this a short so I can put this on my travel vlog on my social media accounts. Cool. Auto captions. Yep. Cool. I have the auto captions on. Aspect ratio is good. Background music, auto select. Yes. Thank you very much. Advanced settings. Let's check this out. Image model. Let's do, well, Flux is good. Let's do Sea Dream. And then video model, let's use Vdo Q2 Turbo. All right, I am super excited about this, as you should be too. Let's do it. All right, we're back. 50-second video. Let's check this out.
Italy enchants travelers with its art, history, and landscapes that take your breath away. Begin in Rome, where the Colosseum and Roman Forum stand as timeless monuments of the past. Toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain to seal your promise to return to this magical city. Up north in Venice, glide along serene canals in a gondola and admire the city's elegant facades. In Florence, gaze upon the soaring Duomo's terracotta dome against the sky. Step into the Uffizi Gallery and let Renaissance relish hearty Tuscan dishes paired with a robust glass of Chianti. Finally, unwind on the Amalfi Coast, where cliffside villages gaze over sparkling azure waters. This is Italy, a rich tapestry of culture and beauty you'll never forget.
Okay, so most of it was great, but you saw that it messed up, right? So let's click on this and edit story. Now, again, we're not going to spend too much time on this. I'm just kind of showing you the process on how this works. So yes, that works. So right here, the Colosseum does not look like that. This is sideways. That was weird. So we're going to retry this image. Looks like it's only 15 credits, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So we have to create the still image, and then we're going to retry the video. This is our storyboard. So very cool. That's what I love about OpenArt AI's new feature, the storyboard. Alrighty, nice. Okay. And we're going to retry the video. And let's come down here, and there was a mistake somewhere over here. Okay. Failed to generate, no credits used, adjust your prompt. Okay, right here. Okay. There was an issue with the prompt. Let's just try to create the video. It's going to cost 200 credits. All right, we're good. And it fixed those images and those videos. So now this is something that I could use for my travel vlog. Now, again, this is the explainer video. So well done. Well done. Love it. We're going to export and download our video. And let's remove the watermark. All right, so we're going to let that export. And we're going to back out to character vlog. So we did our music video. We did our explainer video. Now let's check out the character vlog. And I do have another social media channel called Snarky Posh. And right here, this character right here is Snarky Posh. And you can only imagine the things that she says. So let's click Snarky Posh. And we are going to allow for character outfit changes. Yes, we'll allow for that. And then here's the topic. So let's do walking on the streets of Rome and shopping. Aspect ratio, we're going to do shorts because this is going to be for my social media channels. We're going to allow OpenArt AI to select the background music. And let's check out the advanced settings here. Advanced settings, we're going to use Vdo Q2. I thought Vdo did an amazing job in the last one, so we're going to use that. And then we'll use Nano Banana for the image model. Nano Banana, love it. And this is also going to cost 1,000 credits. So I'm using up a lot of credits for you all, but you know what? You are worth it. All right, so let's see here. I'm going to preview the storyboard before I go ahead and spend 1,000 credits. Let me just look at the storyboard. This is where the magic happens. Create the still image, digital photos, Piazza Novana under warm golden lights. So this is the setting. And here's the animation. The camera dollies forward through the square, panning right to reveal the fountain. And, oh, there it is. Oh, and here it is, guys. Excellent. This looks really good. And there's my character, Snarky Posh, shopping in Rome. This is fantastic. Okay, so it says create video. And right here, I can generate my full story. So if I like these images, I can delete them and recreate. I like them, I like them, I like them. And let's go ahead and generate the full story. All right, it is done. And here we go. Let's click on my story. my gosh. That is it. It is so good. All right, but you notice there's no talking in this vlog. If I wanted to create talking videos, then I would go to the video section right here and create a storyboard of VO3 videos, right? If I wanted her to talk, then that's what I would have to do. So, but again, well done, OpenArt AI. I am very impressed by the quality of this program, and I'm not surprised that creators are leaving their old software, their old AI programs, and switching over to OpenArt AI. Okay, we have one more piece to this puzzle, and it's the ASMR. And I'm going to show you just how to do it. I already created a couple of ASMR videos, but let me just show you. We're going to go to create story, and then we're up here again, music video explainer, character vlog, and ASMR. So let's hit create ASMR. And here are the popular ones: cutting, slime play, keyboard sounds, smear and spread, petri dish, magic pens, bedroom, and upstairs. Very cool. Aspect ratio, generally for a short, it's 9:16. I don't see many ASMR long form 16:9 with the landscape. Number of shots, you can choose up to 8 shots. Wow, that's cool. This is new. I didn't see this before, so they added that. To make it a longer ASMR video, I would probably go to like 5 or 6. I think 3 is too short. And the viral ones have like 6 to 8 shots right here. And wow, look at this. Oh, 3,600 credits because it has 6 shots. That's why. Jeez Louise, I don't even have enough credits for that now. All right, but I told you guys that I already created an ASMR video. I'm going to show you that right now. Go to my stories there. And so here is an ASMR video. So that's that, and let me show you this cutting one. Yeah, so it's cutting toys, knife cutting toys. Anyway, so you have these 4 very different functions that creates amazing video content for you. And like I mentioned before, if you need to create videos with speaking or with talking or with more sound, then you can go to video, and here are the video models that you can choose from, and you would choose VO3. Oh, they have Sora too. Sora 2 can also create sounds. I tried Sora and I could not get Sora to talk. So I'm going to be experimenting with that in a bit, but VO3 absolutely works. And these are VO3 videos. Let me just show you one of my VO3 videos.
So what would you cook for a first date dinner?
Easy. Microwave pasta, 2 paper plates, maybe a coupon for dessert.
Ladies, the romance is alive and it's hot. So what would you cook for a first...
Yeah, so there you go. So again, these are my snarky posh videos for my blog. You can create text to video, you can do image to video, you can do element to video, and then you can do audio to video too. But you guys can explore this on your own. The video quality is just out of this world. Look at this one.
And then he tripped over his own feet right into the fountain.
No way!
Yeah, so the video quality is just out of this world. Lots of video options for all of you out there. I hope this was incredibly helpful, and do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button, because like I said before, we're definitely getting the word out about finding free or highly discounted AI generation programs. And by the way, you can try OpenArt AI for free. Now, to do stuff like this, you are going to have to upgrade, but let me tell you something. It is worth it if you are a content creator that needs to create professional looking videos. So listen, create your content, get it out there. I wish you all the greatest success in your ventures, and I will see you on the next video.